Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to be looking at an introduction to percents. So to start off with, let's look at the word percents in itself. Per means for every, and cent refers to 100. So percents are when we're looking at a specific type of ratio where the whole is always going to be 100, and that part will be that percentage. So let's look at an example of a percentage. Let's just take 50%. What this means is that for every group of 100 that we have, 50% or 50 parts are included. So if I have 100 books, and let's say that Juan is buying 50% of that book, of that group of books, for every 100 books, he would be buying 50 books. So if he bought 200 books, that's two groups of 100. So 50 plus 50 would equal to 100. Let's look at another example. Let's say that we have 37%. And maybe Julia is buying 37% of the cookies at the store. That means if there are 100 cookies that are being sold at the store, then Julia would be buying 37 of those. So for every group of 100, she would be buying 37. Now, percents can also be written in an equal way using fractions and decimals. So if I were to look at 50% again, this means for every 100, I'm selecting 50. So as a fraction, that would just be 50 over 100. Because for the total group of 100, the part that I'm selecting is going to be 50. 50 over 100 can be simplified if we divide both the numerator as well as the denominator by 50, and our simplified fraction would equal 1/2. If we were to write this in decimal form, there's actually a trick. If we have 50%, let's just remove the percentage sign for now and just look at the 50. We could also write 50 as 50.0. Adding a decimal and the 0 does not change the actual value of the number. And what we can do now is take this decimal point right here and move it 2 spaces to the left. And if we drop our decimal right there, we get 0.50. Can also be written as 0.50 or 0.5. So we can say that 50%, 1/2, and 0.5 all represent the same part-to-whole ratio. Just here we're using percentages, here we're using fractions, and here we're using decimals. For more personalized tutoring and to practice online using our online assessments, make sure to check out Prepaze.com. Don't forget to give this video a big like and also subscribe down below. And if you guys have any other topics that you would like me to cover, make sure to comment that in the comments section as well. I'll see you all in my next video.